Hi, writers. Like you all, I grabbed my pen yesterday and I started writing everything I knew about my topic about cockroaches. I didn't worry about the order of my information or if the thing sounded perfect. Instead, I just wrote down everything that came to my mind. This is part of what I wrote, and I'll read this. Cockroaches live almost everywhere in North America. They are hardy insects that live well with people because they've adapted over time to diets made of human food and objects. For example, cockroaches eat paper, glue, fruit, and French fries, to name just a few things. People try to get rid of cockroaches all the time. They try traps, poison, cleaning, storing food differently. Because of their bodies, cockroaches are very hard to kill. They can live for 2 weeks without their heads. But here's the thing. As I was writing that stuff down, and especially now as I reread what I have written, which is a lot longer than that, I find myself thinking about smaller topics within this larger topic. Like, I've been thinking that I might want my whole book to be about cockroaches' incredible bodies. Or I might want to write a whole book about ways people try to kill cockroaches, what works and what doesn't work. Or maybe a book about the history of cockroaches. Well, today I want to teach you that information writers often make plans for how to organize their information writing. Writers make one plan, then they think about a different possible plan, and they keep doing this over and over. Each plan includes a different way to divide a topic into parts. So today, I want to show you how I try this out with my topic, cockroaches. I am going to use my hand to plan my subtopics. A writer doesn't need any fancy organizers as long as they've got their hands. My topic is cockroaches, so I'm going to touch my palm and say kinds of cockroaches, and then plan kinds of cockroaches across my fingers. So using my hand, these are my topics, subtopics. Kinds of cockroaches. German cockroaches. Those are the kind that most people are familiar with. American cockroaches. Madagascar hissing cockroaches. Termites. I know, people forget that they are cockroaches too. But remember, the important thing to realize is that I could organize a cockroach book in a lot of different ways. It's wise to try one way, another, and another. Before I mentioned I could organize my book into ways to get rid of cockroaches. Let me try that out. I'm going to say the topic on my palm. Ways to get rid of cockroaches. Traps. Poison. Environmentally friendly. Prevention, to keep the cockroaches from ever getting into your home in the first place. 4 nice subtopics. So did you notice what I did? Using my hand, I thought of smaller parts, subtopics, that go with my biggest topic. When I came up with a subtopic, I made a list of all the points or categories that fall under that subtopic. I could have tried other ways like listing parts, kinds, famous examples. The possibilities are endless. So writers, right now, you can try this strategy with your own topic. Like me, yesterday you wrote long and strong about your topic, and you probably have looked it over. And you've thought about a way to divide your topic, but here's a hint. It wouldn't really have worked if I had just one kind of cockroach in chapter 1. Just one way of killing in chapter 2. And one part of history in Chapter 3. Readers look to see that you have at least a couple different chapters that go together in a way, like 4 chapters on the kinds of cockroaches, each telling about a different kind of cockroach, or 3 chapters on ways to kill cockroaches, each telling a different way. That is, it is usually helpful to have an overall way to organize at least parts of your book. So keep in mind the ideas you already have for how your book could be divided up. But let's try out some other possible ways that you could organize your topic. Let's start with kinds. We're going to come to our group, and you're going to work with your partner and try to see if you can plan a book on your topic. Across your fingers, with each chapter being a different kind. So writers, let's go to our group area.